I'm Robert Preston. I'm a brass teacher. I also teach piano, and I teach all sorts of brass: trumpets, cornets, horns, trombones, baritones and tubas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and bum bum da 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 da. Yes, that's it. Seen and progress from not being able to play anything all the way to being like a high standard. Bar 16, the downbeat is when you go on to the quaver, so it's da 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 da. I lead 2 ensembles. The first one is on a Monday, from 4:15 till 5 o'clock at High Tunstall School in Hartlepool. This is Hartlepool Junior Band. It's aimed at beginners to a grade 3 level, and it's currently just got brass pupils in it, but there's the opportunity for woodwind and percussion to join. Da, 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 da. Thursdays between 6 and 7 at Tees Valley Centre in Norton. We have Tees Valley Youth Wind Band, and that's grades 3 upwards, and that consists of brass, woodwind and percussion. Both bands are thriving, but we could always have more members. Right. Ba, 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 ba. I've always believed that there's a musical instrument that everybody can play. It doesn't matter what it is, and some are going to be difficult for that person to play, and there'll be one that they find that they can do really well on, and it's always the one they've enjoyed listening to. They've always wanted to play it. Don't hold that C for more than 2 quavers long. All right. Da, 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 da. It's good to join an ensemble because you get to play alongside other musicians at your level, even higher, so that you can always develop your technique and play more than just what you do in your lessons. You get to hear harmonies, you get to experience the social side of it as well. And it's great to meet new friends, and being musicians, you'll be friends with them for life. Good, yeah. With brass, you've got a lot of well-known music that they feature the melody on, or really nice accompaniment. And it's a distinctive sound as well. People recognise it. Sometimes they just call it the horn section. Well, at least you managed to get the music in time to finish. Personally, being in ensembles, I've played with lots of other musicians from a beginner level all the way to advanced. I started off in the Salvation Army as a beginner, and I've played all the way up to a professional level, like with the forces. So I was in the army, and but there's other things. There's jazz bands that I've taken part in. There are brass bands, wind bands, orchestras. There really is no limit to what you can do, and it always helps advance the level that you're at. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Right, leave that one for now. It's very inclusive. We cover every school as long as there's a pupil who wants to learn. Tees Valley Music Service will go into that school. If it doesn't fit with the school or with the particular lessons, then they can come to one of the Tees Valley centres. We're very flexible and welcoming, and we've got brilliant teachers. There's nobody who's not very good doing this. And everybody's really enthusiastic. Playing an instrument, there's no age to start. You know, you don't have to be a child to start playing as an instrument. You can progress from a child, but you can equally start as a novice adult. People always say, "Oh, I've missed a cut-off age." There is no cut-off age. You can start at any age and go forever. You know, once someone like enjoys playing, you know, there's no stopping them.